In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notebook color in OneNote. Color coding your notebooks is a simple way to spot what you need faster and keep your workspace tidy. We'll walk through the built-in option that lets you assign a distinct color to any notebook. Start by opening OneNote. Once the app is up, head to the File tab. You'll find File in the upper left corner of the OneNote window. This switches you from your notes into the Backstage view, where notebook details and settings live. In the File view, look at the Info section. Here, OneNote lists the notebooks that are currently open. Identify the notebook whose color you want to change. If you keep several notebooks open, work, school, or personal, double-check the title so you're editing the right one. Next to that notebook's name, click the Settings icon. It appears as a small gear with a drop-down arrow. When you click it, a short menu opens. From that menu, select Properties. This takes you to the Notebook Properties dialog, which is where OneNote keeps the key details for that notebook. In the dialog box, you'll see information like the display name and location. Look for the Color drop-down menu. Click it to reveal the available palette. Pick the color that best matches how you want to organize your notebooks. Bright for urgent work, calm for reference material, or anything that stands out to you. You can change this at any time, so there's no need to overthink it. After choosing your color, click OK to confirm. OneNote applies the new color right away. You'll notice the change in the navigation pane and anywhere the notebook's color is shown, making it easier to differentiate at a glance. This small tweak can significantly speed up navigation when you move between multiple notebooks during the day. If you don't see the settings icon or the properties option, make sure you're viewing the info page under File for the notebook you want. Interface details can look slightly different across versions, but the process is the same. Open File, choose the notebook's settings, then Properties to reach the color option. Thanks for watching.